welcome on today's video. This is a product review on a product made by Imethod, and it's called Full Fluffy Brows. And this is supposed to fluff your brows. And it's supposed to last all day long. So it'll give you that smooth, thick, laid down look. You know how brows sometimes are hard to lay down. But guys, unfortunately, I went to get a touch up for my eyebrows and get a wax. I went to someone who did not usually wax my eyebrows, and she really cut it down low. And I've never went to anyone who wax eyebrows and they never wax the size of the arch of your eyebrow. And I don't wear my eyebrow this skinny, so I'm going to try to do it, but I'm gonna still be using this because my eyebrows are very thick, and I like thick eyebrows because it's so easy to maintain. This is a great product because I looked at other ladies that were using this, and guys, I'm telling you, it helps to lay down the eyebrow. This product, and I look online, was only like $12 plus tax. So this is from Imethod. So I want to thank them for sending this to me. So I want to go ahead and still use this, and let's see how this works. A type of wax, and it says on back it's a brow styling wax, and it's made for the eyebrows, and it is clear. And it sent a brush with it. What you call these little brushes, sent this with it. So guys, just 2 of these came with it, and let's see how it does. So I'm gonna be looking in my mirror trying to get these things to work. Okay, I was looking at a video and I was wanting to see how, you know, other ladies did it. I'm new to this, guys. That's why I keep my eyebrows thick. And the reason why I keep my eyebrows thick is because I don't have to be trying to work with these eyebrows all day. Okay, it does smooth it down. Trying to get them to lay down and shape and add on. I can't do all that. I just like the easy little way. So I'm gonna put this on and go from there and pray, it comes out. Okay, and it does lay down your brows. If you can see, it does. It's nice. Okay, I'm gonna give it time to kind of dry on, finish them up. But it's a thick, it's real thick, guys, but it's clear, and it does go on. It's easy. It's very simple to do. And what it does, just lays down your eyebrow. I've never used a wax before. I've used like a little, what do you call it, like a gel, if I'm not mistaken. And they also have eyebrow stamps too. So they have a lot of things to help us along, but overall it's nice. So let me play with this just a little bit more, guys. I'm gonna let it dry down some more, see what else I can do with it, and see if I can make these eyebrows look a little bit better. So this is it, and it's not too bad. I like my eyebrows thick, so I don't have to be doing all that extra stuff because I'm not good at doing all that extra stuff yet. See, guys, we will see. Okay, friends, I just did something simple, and this is just something just for everyday look. Had on a very, very light foundation. I love it. I like it. One thing I learned about using this, you don't need much. Very little of this gel. Don't try to put too much. Just take a little at a time. And what I did, all I did was I took the end of the brush, holding and slid it down. But I also, when I went and looked in the mirror in the bathroom, because I couldn't see better, then I took it and slid it down with my hands. And it slicks your hair down, and it helps it holds it in place. So I want to thank Imethod and for them contacting me. There's a link for this, guys. And like I said, this is just a simple look. You don't have to put on so much makeup. It is too hot. So I thank y'all so much. Leave me a comment and let me know if you have used this. Y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. Bye-bye from Penny.